Hey kids, welcome to the show. I'm so excited that you're here because today we are going to be painting a Christmas tree. So get your paints ready, get your brushes ready, and let's have some fun. Okay, so I've got my canvas right here. I've got my brush. It's a pretty big brush, and I'm gonna start painting this awesome Christmas tree. I can't wait. So what color is our tree gonna be? Yep, it's green. I'm gonna take some green on my brush right here, and I'm gonna go ahead right here and just make a line coming right down, and then another line coming right down here. Look at that. We've got a cool tree starting. It's okay if it kind of curves. No big deal. We can make that work. I love that. All right. Trees are not perfect, okay? So we're gonna make our tree like that. All right, so I'm gonna get some more green and I'm gonna fill this in with my big brush. Whoa, look at that. Look how quick it goes. Whoa, you can see I can even make little lines coming off of it. Oh my gosh, this is such a pretty tree. But don't worry, we're gonna add some more cool things to this. All right, let's paint this tree. It's a holly jolly season for painting with me. There we go. I got my green. It's looking so pretty. I hope yours is too. I know it is because it is such a beautiful color. You can see that they're so really just rich and vibrant. It really is pretty, no matter which green you have. Okay. So look at that, we've got our tree already. That is so beautiful. I'm so proud of you guys. Watch this. I'm gonna take the same brush here and I'm gonna make little lines coming down, little spikes almost coming right off our tree. Look at that, just barely coming out, and it gives it that texture and it makes it look a little bit more realistic. That's so neat. Look at that, just a simple step. And it changes your tree so quickly. It's so awesome. Have fun with it. Okay, watch this. Okay, I'm gonna add some highlights now. I've got my green on my brush. I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow on it. I know it's weird. Right, here we go. Watch this. I'm gonna just make it a little bit brighter up top and add these little lines coming down. Oh my goodness. Look at that, it just adds a little bit of a lime green highlight. Really pretty. Isn't that neat? Okay, so get ready. We're gonna add a lot of color coming up, and it's a fun, cool step, so get ready. Oh, look what I've got. I've got some Q-tips. This is gonna be such a fun, cool step. So I've got some Q-tips, and I've got a rubber band. Now I'm gonna wrap this rubber band, or you can have your mom or your parent, whoever's with you, wrap it around there so you can get these nice and awesome, cool Q-tips all together here. And then you can kind of just, it helps them keep it together a little bit. So what you can also do now is you can spread them apart too. You can see it just is a fun little step. Watch this. Now I'm gonna put some plain white. I've got all this paint still from my last painting, so I'm gonna just put some plain white on these Q-tip ends. Now, I'm gonna get my Q-tips and just start dabbing or blotting some awesome, cool little white sparkles in this tree. You can even make some of your sparkles come off of your tree. It's okay. Add some more white once you run out. Look at these beautiful sparkles. And it's just plain Q-tips. That's all I'm doing is just blotting and dabbing. It's just a really fun step. And then as I come further down, my sparkles get a little bit more sparse. Yeah, there's not as many of them down there. So you can see, look at that, look at that. Whoa, you can see these awesome bunches of cool sparkles just happening. And I'm just kind of randomly dotting these awesome, beautiful looking sparkles right over this tree. It looks like there's snowfall on there. But watch this. If I flip and turn this around, watch what I can do. I can reuse the Q-tip. Watch. Here we go. I've I've got a new Q-tip on the other side because there's two sides. What if I want to do some color in this tree? Whoa, Q-tip, some color. I've got red on my brush, given some beautiful little Q-tip dabs. And it just makes it a beautiful, beautiful tree. Look at that. And you can make some of these dots just come off of this canvas. Look at that. Wow. It's so beautiful. I know you're doing such a great job with yours too. It's okay. Look at all these beautiful things. Now I can just grab, I can throw that Q-tip away and I can grab more. Watch, I can do some yellow. Look, I've got like the multi Q-tips again. You can use a bunch of Q-tips, you can use one Q-tip, but look at that. It just adds such a vibrant, beautiful, beautiful color to this tree. So keep going. I want you to keep using your Q-tips, all right? And just see how far you can make this tree go. Well, that's how you make a Q-tip Christmas tree. Real simple, nice and easy. Have fun with it, guys. And we'll see you on the next show. Keep painting, use that creativity, and we'll see ya. Bye, guys.